Aries, this is Akansha from Antanana Tarot Reading, and I am here with your answers for the month of July from July 1 to July 10th. So, this is the deck that I am going to use today. This is the Romance with the Angels deck. So, let's see what these cards wants to speak to you. Anything that was troubling you till now, anything that was bothering you till now, so you will find your answers today by the help of these cards. So by the time I'll shuffle my cards, I want you all to close your eyes, take few very deep breaths, and now think about your question. Focus upon your question, that what is bothering you, for whatever thing you are thinking that I'm not getting answer for this, what should I do, whether I should do something or not, what kind of decision I should take about it. Think about that question and be very, very, very clear about it. Okay, so let's spread out the cards and find out the answer to your question. Okay, so this is the card which I have pulled for your answer, and this card says make the effort. Okay, so what this card wants to speak is that you know what is your dream, you know about your goal, you know what you want in your life, but right now you are not doing anything for it. You are not making any kind of effort to gain what you want in your life. If in case of career you are looking for growth, if you are looking for promotion, if you want to get raise in your salary, and simply you want something to achieve in your financial state, you want to improve your financial state, you want to improve your career life, you are actually not doing anything for it. You have no ideas to put up, and even if you have, you are not implementing it. You are not projecting yourself in a good way, in a way where you should be taken care of. So all those things are missing right now, which you need to focus upon. You need to connect with the senior authorities, you need to connect with your teammates, and you need to put your 100%, you need to give the best you can. You have that potential within you. You just need to make the effort right now. So this card specifically deals with making the effort. Now in case of your relationship, if something is not going good between your partner and you, somewhere you have lack of something, you don't feel your relationship to be that vibrant, or something, that charm, that everything, that fire in your relationship is missing, then guys, right now what you have to do is make an effort to get your partner back. Make an effort to make your relationship very smooth, very romantic, very passionate. And if you are looking for somebody, if you want to get that person into your life, then also you need to go and tell that person that you like that person, and if you want to marry that person, and if you want to meet his or her parents, or if you want to let the person know about it, that you are in love with that person, then you need to put up an effort to get that person into your life. Otherwise it will be too late for you. So for anything right now, whatever is troubling you, whatever is actually very important for you right now, and you need to do something for it. If you won't do anything for it, that thing will be gone as if it was not yours anyway. So to make things possible, to reach to that level and to gain whatever you want in your life, you need to put up some effort, some hard work, and definitely God is watching you as a person, whatever efforts you are putting, what efforts you are not putting to get something, whether you want it or not, how much you are interested for that particular thing, how much you can do for that particular thing, all your patience, your interest for it, your attention for it, that is all counted. So you need to be into action now So start putting up your efforts, understand yourself, understand the situation, and take actions accordingly. So these are the answers for this month. Hope you got your answer by the card. And you can catch me up via Skype, via email, via YouTube. We can get a personalized reading for you. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, my Tumblr page. You can connect with me in any way you want to connect with me and get your personalized reading done. You can even gift readings to your friends, your family, anybody who you love and you want to get the readings done for them. They can also connect me. So that is all for the answer series. And till then, guys, have a very great time. Enjoy your life, relax, and put effort so that everybody feels that yes, you are very much into it. So this is the card which that was the thing that I wanted to tell you through the card. So that's all, guys. Have a great time. Hope to see you soon back. So bye bye, take care.